Hey, welcome back to the channel, folks. So today, oh boy, do we have something super special for you. We're going to unravel the secrets to just dominating in EA Sport FC24. Now, if you've been feeling like your attack is a little lackluster, or your defense could use some, let's say, fortification, then you're gonna wanna stick around. Trust me, you're gonna wanna grab a notepad for this one. It's that good. All right, so let's get this show on the road. First things first, let's chat about the absolutely vital aspect of understanding the importance of tactics. Listen, tactics aren't just some trivial stuff. They're basically the bread and butter of your gameplay. I mean, how you position your players, the spaces you create, and the kind of moves you make can totally mess with your opponent's game plan. Just imagine being that player who knows exactly where to be and when. Yeah, that could be you. Moving right along, we've got the second biggie for you, and that's choosing your formation. This is pretty much where the magic starts to happen, folks. Like, are you the attacking type? Then something like a 4-3-3 formation could be your jam. Or maybe you want something balanced, you know? In that case, you might want to give the good old 4-4-2 a whirl. Just remember, your formation is basically the skeleton of your strategy, and it's going to affect both how you attack and defend. So yeah, choose wisely. Now let's dive into, one of my favorite parts, the third focus, which is all about attacking tips. First up, let's talk about the art of creating space and chances. You've gotta use your midfielders wisely here. Pass the ball around, create those open lanes, and just watch as your chances of hitting the back of the net skyrocket. And then get this, you're gonna wanna keep your opponent on their toes by mixing things up. Throw in some short passes, some long balls, maybe even a couple of flashy skill moves. And don't forget, folks, you gotta finish strong. If you can't score, well, you can't win, simple as that. All right, so fourth on the list, we've got the defensive tips. Numero uno in defense, let me tell you, is staying organized. Make sure your defenders aren't running around like headless chickens, okay? Keep them in line, mark those attackers, and just, make life difficult for your opponent. Then comes the part about tackling and blocking. Man, timing is key here. Practice, and practice some more. And hey, don't underestimate your goalkeeper. This guy or gal is your last line of defense. And trust me, a good goalkeeper is a game changer. And last but definitely not least, I've got some extra goodies for you. For those of you who are, let's say, super committed to leveling up, there's a world of resources out there. You could, for instance, watch some pro players do their thing on YouTube or Twitch. Join forums, hop into some subreddits, or even, get some pro advice from coaches or streamers who are living and breathing EA Sport FC24. So there you have it, folks. To really become a force to be reckoned with in EA Sport FC24, you need to be on point with your tactics, pick the right formation, and just be super strategic in how you approach both your attacks and your defense. It's all about learning, adapting, and just getting better every single game. Oh, and before you go, do me a solid, hit that like button, share this video, and if you haven't already, subscribe for more awesomeness. Catch you all in the next video.